3 a.m. Cold rain on the avenue. Only the ghosts and the hustlers move. Yeah. City lights. City lights flicker like broken dreams. Payphone ringing but nobody answer me. Corner store glow through the foggy night. Old heads outside, still living trite. Taxi pass slow through the puddle rain. Everybody here got invisible pain. Mama said, don't let the streets consume you, but survival got a way to confuse you. I seen brothers lose hope for designer clothes. Seen love disappear while the siren blows. Cold bench by the train station lights, trying to make peace with these endless nights. Every scar left an impression. The city built my aggression. Midnight payphone confessions. Lost souls asking heaven questions. Pain became my only lesson. Midnight payphone confessions. Heart cold from the tension. Yeah. Every scar left an impression. Midnight payphone confession. The city built my aggression. Yeah. Now I move quiet through the midnight haze. Mind trapped inside them younger days. Same avenue, different mindset now. Pain taught me things I can't write down. Used to blame the world for my scars. Now I thank the struggle for who we are. Every lost carved truth in stone. That's why I walk these streets alone. Rain on my hoodie, soul feel numb, but the sunrise always gotta come. Even broken kings still wear crowns. Even lost souls still hold ground. No love in this city. Pain made me real. You either evolve or disappear. Midnight payphone confession. Still hear echoes in the distance. Rain wash off my bad decisions, but the scars remain persistent. Midnight payphone confessions. Lost souls asking heaven questions. Pain became my only lesson. Midnight payphone confessions. 3 a.m. Same avenue. Only the ghosts and the hustlers move.